if you're into aqua fitness or recovering from an injury, you're going to want to check out these fantastic fins which wrap around your ankles. They're great for a lower body workout and you can use them in your swim, spa or pool. And today I'm going to try them out for you. There's 3 different resistance levels, so let's have a look. So today I'm going to be trying out the Aquafitness fins in the swim spa. This is actually the hardest resistance fins. They strap around the ankles, so I'm going to put them on and let's see how we go. So I'm just doing some kicks here and I'm feeling it in my hamstrings. You could take this up a notch. And you could also use the bowels as well at the same time. The great thing about these fins is that you can actually use them when you're doing an upper body workout as well. Okay, so now we're going to turn the jets on in the swim spa and I'll do some jogging and we'll see how that feels. Okay, so this is a really good workout. This to me feels like cardio with some resistance. I'm feeling it a lot in my legs, but my heart rate is increasing, so it's a really good all-round workout. So that's an overview of the Aquafitness fins that strap around your ankles. As you can see, they're Velcro, so super easy to get on and off. They were a really great workout, so for more information, just head to our website.